welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to do our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to do stage 78 of Build a Lamborghini Miura, and yeah, it's another big one today. We are actually going to be putting the engine onto the body of the car. So this pack has really been on quite a few bits to do so far. I don't know if there's much to do after this pack, I haven't got a clue, but yeah, it's definitely been worth it. After packs of really not a lot to do to this pack where there is quite a bit to do, but I think that's normally the case with pack works because, well, it's just the way it happens. Towards the end you find that there's absolutely tons to do. But anyway, let's get started with today's build. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so stage 78, we are fitting the rear frame and installing the upper tie rods. We're not using any of the parts that we've got in today's issue, but we do need to bring this piece across here, and it's just wanting us to know a few areas like it has done in the past. So areas down here and up here as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually try and put this in. So I'm hoping this goes all well. Okay, I did do a test fit of this and it did seem to go in okay, but whether it goes in fine again on camera is a different story. Okay, I believe that is in. So I'm just going to flip this over and just double check everything. Okay, so just working out the points. Everything seems to be okay, so I'm happy with that. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to put this on with 4 type A screws. So I'm just getting them out. That's 3 and 4. Just going to grab my little pot of oil, and then I'm going to use a PH1 on this because these screws can be a little bit pain to get in at times. Hopefully not today. So I'm going to go down here first of all. Okay, so immediately that's not lined up. So just try and wiggle it in a bit more. I think these are some of the hardest stages to do on a build, is putting all this together. Okay, so the next one's just here. And that's pretty much lined up fantastically. Right, that is all the way down. Right, so we now have the other side to do. Okay, so I'm going to go down there first of all. That one's going in. I'm just going to move it around this way just so I can get a bit more torque on it. Okay, so that one's gone in, and I just need to do this one here. A little tapping noise if you hear it, it's just me putting the screw in some oil. So that one just needs pushing up a little bit. And then in we go. Okay, so that's done. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Okay, so now it's saying it wants a tie rod, so I'm just looking at this side first. No, that's the type A screw going in. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. We haven't lost anything, which is great. Okay, so we've got the tie rods to put in. We've got these in stage 76, which are these here. Now there is a left and a right. So right, so it's supposed to say by what it is. Right, I believe. Right, so that's the left one. That's the left one. And that's the right one. Okay. Right, so take the tie rods and test fit them. Insert the pins into the curved ends in the square holes laid on the sides of the rear window support as circled. Right, okay. So left one first. Right, so it's gonna go pretty hard to see. So it's gonna go in there and into there. Right, and then it just says carefully flex the rod from the middle and guide the triangular end into the slot located in the rear frame. Note the nut facing arrows inwards. Okay, so wow, that is tough. Right, that's one in. Gosh, hope they don't come out. Okay, we'll put the other one in. They're definitely correct. Oh, that one went in perfectly. That one was a bit more tougher, but they are in. So that's that in there, and that is stage complete. So, go to the overhead. We can see what this is now looking like. It's starting to look like a car, which is great. I mean, that's what we're looking for at the end of this. But yeah, fantastic. I am really chuffed with the way that's gone. So that is stage 78 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Lamborghini Miura on stage 78. I thought that was going to take a lot longer than what it than it looked. But everything seemed to line up perfectly. Just a little bit of difficulties with that left tie rod, just getting it into place. But the right one just slipped in lovely. So goodness knows why I had problems with one and not with the other. But yeah, that was quite hard to push it. But it's in, and I don't think it's coming out either. So I'm glad at that. But yeah, she's looking fantastic. So can't wait to get on and finish this pack. I'm going to say Rossi then, of Miura, but yeah. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.